Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making naan in air fryer. I will make garlic naan, cheese naan and naan with sesame seeds. First we will make dough, and to make it we need unbleached all-purpose flour 4 cups, warm water 2 cups, dry yeast 2 teaspoon and salt 1 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. I will make it in stand mixer. So let's make the dough with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added flour in mixing bowl with hook attachment. Now add sugar, then dry yeast, salt, and mix it for 10 seconds on low speed. Then add extra virgin olive oil and mix for 3 seconds. Then add water slowly in it to form the dough. In the end of the mixing, keep the speed high for 30 seconds. And it is done. Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a clean bowl, coat olive oil on each side and place dough in it. Cover it and keep it in fridge for an hour for fermentation. After an hour, our dough is ready. Alhamdulillah. Let's make naan with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me tell you about topping of naans. I have sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons, mozzarella cheese, half cup, 1 bulb grated garlic mixed with 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro leaves, milk half cup, extra virgin olive oil 2 tablespoons. It is time to make naans now with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My griddle is warming up on medium flame to make naans. Now take a big piece of dough and roll it with rolling pin. I will cook it slightly on griddle, then set topping on it and place it in air fryer to cook it for 4 minutes. Poke your fingertips on naan to make marks on it. Then place it on a warm griddle. Cook it for 5 seconds. It is done. Then transfer it in a plate and spread some milk on it. Then set topping for garlic naan. As much as you want. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will make naan with sesame seeds. Apply milk, then sesame seeds. Now we will make cheese naan. Do not use milk on it. I will cook naan in air fry at 400 degree Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First I will cook garlic naan. Inshallah, I will cook it for 2 minutes. Then I will brush oil on it and cook it again for 2 minutes. After cooking 2 minutes, now I will brush oil on naan. You can brush butter if you like. Now cook it again for 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, garlic naan is ready. How beautiful it is, mashallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Naan with sesame seed was cooking for 2 minutes. Now I will brush oil on it and cook it again for 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, it is ready. Next, I will cook cheese naan and do not apply oil on it. Alhamdulillah, our naans are ready. So let's enjoy them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious garlic naan, cheese naan and naan with sesame seeds are ready. Enjoy them by making in air fry and share the recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel Myfoodcart and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.